We can continue with the exploration on how these features looks like. Let's continue to create. When you go to create, this is how the application looks like. These are some of the icons. These are some of the features that you're going to find inside the Microsoft Access. So the Microsoft Access, it does not matter which version you're using, as long as you are in Microsoft Access software. When you go to create, it will be showing you the different pieces. Which pieces we are going to explore one by one. Look, we shall look at the application parts. We shall look at the table design, the SharePoint list. What exactly appears in SharePoint list? We shall be looking at them. You may want to design different tables based on contacts, on tasks or issues, events, custom, etc. You may continue to explore into that. So these are the features that we shall be uh, passing through as we are trying to go into depth of the Microsoft Access. So the SharePoint list, we shall look upon them. We shall look strictly to Query Wizard. What does the Query Wizard show? It will show the Query Wizard, which helps you to create simple query. For example, a cross-tab query, a find a duplicate query, or a find unmatched query. So all these are items we shall be exploring while trying to come up with a lot of knowledge that can be helpful to anybody who is a student of ICT, basically under Microsoft Access. You can subscribe to our channel. You can like and comment. And don't forget to subscribe to Northbridge Technologies for more of these videos concerning ICT, basically in different fields. We can look at multimedia, programming, we shall look at designing and systems analysis and design, the simple Microsoft Office for beginners. All these other items are available onto this channel, which is Northbridge. So it's better you subscribe to get the updates, and the more we upload videos and scenarios here, you will be able to get them. So better you subscribe for more of this. Let's continue. We shall look at still onto query design. What are query designs? How are they designed, or how will they be looking like? We shall be, after creating our data, which we briefly believe that will be very useful to learners who are doing Microsoft Access. We shall look at forms. What are forms and what exactly are they up to? Forms are very powerful in presenting information, mainly to people who even don't know how to go in depth in designing and using computer. These are one-time explanations that if everyone can use, even if he's not well versed with the computer systems. Then we shall see still how to design those forms. There are different types of forms, and in designing view we can see how you can make advanced design changes to forms, such as adding custom control types and writing codes. You can add buttons on them and other issues. Still, we shall go to blank to create a form with no controls or formats. We shall have a blank form. How does it look like? when you get a blank form, how are you going to include the buttons, next, previous, save, delete, cut, paste, all these? How are you going to create them? How are you going to design them? So all these are under create. Through exploration of these items, we truly believe that you'll be able to design exactly to customers' needs. So when we continue, we have a form wizard. What exactly a form wizard does? It shows the form wizard that helps you create simple customized forms. Customized, when you hear the word customized, it's according to customer's need. A customer will tell you, I want a form that can do this and it does this and this. It can track information, it can display this. So we shall use the form wizard to create that. Navigations. How do you navigate throughout your forms? Can you create buttons that can help you to go forward, come back, previous, and browse to different forms or different applications that are linked with this form? We shall look at other forms that can be connected to this one other form. Then jump into reports. What exactly reports will be doing? We shall look at how reports are very useful in designing. Or before we reach there, the wizards will be helping us in doing forms that are designed automatically. You don't need to bother much yourself. Here, when we are using a wizard will be a software that will build it on itself, by itself. For you, you just use the software, then the software gets your table, then it forms what exactly that will help you while trying to design a particular site database. For instance, it could be a company with 1,000 users or 1,000 clients or workers, but you want to design a software very fast. So here a wizard will do it automatically by the inbuilt software, not you to hassle with the building. So briefly, you can subscribe more onto this channel. This is Northbridge Technologies, more of ICT. For now, we can end here. Let's meet in another video that will explain more of the report and report designing.